Hi, this is Rita Cartwright Southern coming on today from RJ's Internet Marketing Solutions to do a short demo on how to install the Zoom app on your Android phones as well as how to join a Zoom meeting. So let's begin. So first of all, select your Play Store and search for the Zoom app. And here you see it come up as the search result at the very top called Zoom Cloud Meetings. And that is the correct app to install. And so once you see this icon, you know that you are installing the correct app, okay? So go ahead and install it. And as you can see, the size of this app is 28 megabytes, so make sure you have enough room on your phone system. And once it finishes installing, we will be able to open the app. There we go. So click open. And so as you can see at the bottom, there's option to join a meeting, sign up, or sign in. It's not necessary to sign up or sign in. Just simply click on join a meeting button, okay? And so the person who has invited you to the Zoom meeting will provide you with a meeting ID. And so this is where it goes in at the very top here, where you see meeting ID. So just go ahead and insert the ID there. And as you see on the second line, you have the option to join with a personal link name. And so by default, it automatically put in your phone manufacturer name. So you can go ahead and delete that out and insert your name. And so once that you have the meeting ID, this join meeting button will be highlighted. It will no longer be grayed out. However, I want to point out a couple of other join options before you join the meeting. As you can see at the bottom here, you have two join options. And the first option is don't connect to audio, and you want to leave that off so you will be able to connect to the meeting, join the meeting using your audio feature. And once you join the meeting, you can mute yourself, okay? And the second option you see here is turn off my video. And what that simply means is you can join the meeting on camera or off camera. And in the default position, the camera is off. And so if you decide to join a meeting with your camera off, you will be able to see the other participant who chose to join the meeting using their video as well as audio. And so if you do want to join on camera, just go ahead and select this, turn it on, and your camera will be on. And so this ends our short demo on how to install the Zoom app as well as how to join a Zoom meeting. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.